how to set up a Launchpad, tiles, and tile groups in Neptune DXP. This how-to video will show you how to configure a Launchpad in Neptune for the first time. We start by jumping into the Launchpad menu of the cockpit. Here we can click Add to begin configuring a new Launchpad. Let's give it a name, and let's save it. Once it has been saved, we can run it. However, we have this 404 error. To resolve this, we need to download the Launchpad from the Neptune store. To do this, search for Store in the cockpit, search the store for Launchpad, and within the store, open the Planet 9 Launchpad item and click Download in the header. Now, if we head back to the Launchpad we made a moment ago, and we click Run, we should see a blank Launchpad ready to use. We can now set up some tiles and a tile group. Let's head to Tile within the cockpit. We'll click Add, and we'll title it Tile 1. Under the Tile Action submenu, we can select the UI5 application we want to open. I've already configured 2 example applications for this video. Let's assign application 1 to this tile, then we can save, return, and repeat the process for the second tile. After we've configured both tiles, we can then assign them to a group, which we can then assign to a Launchpad to display. Let's head to the tile group page and click Add. We can give it a title, and under the Tile submenu, add the 2 tiles we created a moment ago. Let's save, and now we can head back to the Launchpad. Click into the Tile Group submenu and assign the tile group we just configured to the Launchpad. If we save and run the Launchpad now, we can see our tile group is displaying 2 tiles. Since we assigned an application to each tile, we can open each one to see 2 different apps. The first app displays this lovely photo of a cat, and the second, this picture of a dog. I can now demonstrate how to customize the titles and descriptions of the tiles and the tile group. Heading back into the Launchpad, we can click through the tile group into each tile, where we can then add a subtitle and change the title. It's also possible to add a description, footer, tags, and icons to each tile. Once we have saved each change, we can refresh the Launchpad to see the updates we've made to each tile. And there you can see our changes have applied. We can also change the tile group title just as easily by clicking on the tile group and changing the title just like this.